Hello, it is Vanna from Cheap Nails, and we need to stay frugal with your next manicure. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you 4 awesome ways to grow your nails long. This will be a compilation of 4 different methods that you could try at home to grow out your natural nails. The first natural thing that you can use to grow your nails long, voice over Vanna or Vanna in a different outfit, and she's going to teach you how to grow your nails long with garlic.
Garlic is so natural and is so rich in selenium, and it's just going to help your nails grow, so I love rubbing my nails with garlic. I went ahead and cut the garlic in half so the nice garlic juice can get on my natural nails, and I just go ahead and rub that on my nails. And what I love about garlic is after you rub it into your nail bed's like shinier, like, right? It just looks shiny.
Thank you, Other Vanna. Now, let's move on to the second way you can grow your nails long, which is using lemons. Yup, love lemons. Oh my goodness, I just love lemons. So take your nails that are nail polish free and just stick them right in. And just dig right into the lemon and let this soak for about 10 to 15 minutes. Lemons have natural vitamins in them that help your nails grow, and also when they grow thicker so they're less prone to breaking. Also, lemons have whitening properties that help lighten and brighten your nails, and just in case if they're stained. I usually soak my nails on the weekend because that's when I get time, but you can do this as many times as you want because lemons are a very natural thing for your nail bed. It is now time for the health fact of the day. Drink water. Yep, your nails need to be hydrated. Your body needs to be hydrated so you don't have dry and brittle nails. If you don't want dry and brittle nails, all you need to do is make sure you stay hydrated. But I'm pretty sure you already know this. You probably already do this fact, but I'm going to mention it. I'm going to bring it up. Because I need to know it too. I need to soak it. And also, if you don't got a water bottle, like some people, I don't know, you don't got like a water bottle to keep water in, all you have to do is take a bottle that you drink when you drink in, like this was a vitamin water bottle. All you have to do is just put some baking soda in there and just give it a good, with some water and just give it a good shake, wash out that previous beverage, and then put some water in it, and then you can reuse your bottle, and then you can have a bottle of water everywhere. Or you could just fill up a water bottle that you bought. But I don't have a water bottle, so I just reuse this. So yeah, that includes this helpful fact of the day. Stay hydrated. Thank you, Vanna. Alright, let's move on to the third way you can grow your nails long, which is my favorite method, which is moisturizing with olive oil. Yup, just love olive oil. Oh, extra virgin olive oil. It's just great.
I take a toothbrush and I take some extra virgin olive oil. Now I use extra virgin olive oil because it is the most healthy and natural for your nails, and I just go ahead and I rub that into my natural nails, into my cuticles, and into my skin, and boy does it moisturize. Olive oil does a great job of moisturizing your skin. Now when I put it on my nails and on my hand, I let it fully soak in because I don't want to get like my pillow and my bedding full of oil.
Time now for the TMAY. Which means, tell me something about yourself down in the comment section down below. It can be anything. It doesn't have to be nails. It doesn't even have to be growing your nails long related or anything. It could be anything. Let us all know something about you down in the comment section down below. It is now time for the fourth method to grow your nails long, which is a DIY nail soak. Yep, an awesome little natural concoction that you can make up will help your nails grow long. It's one of my favorite things to do if I take off gel or dip powder, any of that kind of harsh stuff that you remove that's kind of harsh. I love doing DIY nail soaks. So let's switch over to Vanna, and she's going to tell you exactly, well, I am Vanna, so we're going to switch over to other Vanna, and she's going to show you how to make an awesome DIY nail soak for your nails. Alright, let's take 3/4 cup of water and heat it up in the microwave. And after our water is heated up, we're gonna go ahead and take some green tea. I'm gonna sit. They come in little bags like this, and you're just gonna open them up. And a little green tea bag, see? The classic green tea bags. And then we'll just place it right in the water. I don't know why I forgot the name for water. We'll put the green tea bag right in the water. Squish it around a little bit. And we're gonna set this aside and let it cool. And then you can go ahead and grab yourself a bowl that you want to soak your nails in. And then you want to go ahead and cut up 3 garlic cloves. You can use more, but I usually just use 3. Alright, we got our garlic in the bowl. Now it's time for the green tea. Then you just pour it in the bowl. Stir it a little bit, maybe. And there we go. There's our garlic green tea DIY nail soaks. Now all you have to do is dive right in. Just put your nails right into it. And you can go ahead and soak your nails to 10 to 15 minutes. And you want to make sure when you're soaking your nails, you don't want to do it right before you do a manicure, because your natural nail bed can soak up some of the water and then release it after you paint your nails, and then your nail polish chips. So you want to do a DIY nail soak when you're not ready to do a manicure. You probably want to do a manicure the next day. Did you like all 4 methods? Let me know down in the comment section down below. Have you used these? Do they help you grow your nails long? Or are you going to super like try them and you're so excited? Let me know that. We need to talk to each other. Give this video a like if you like growing out your nails. See how much fun and potential that is in that doing. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you next Friday. Bye! Now it is time for the GTKM. I said it right! Which is, I bought a SpongeBob eyeshadow palette. And normally I don't really collect eyeshadow palettes. I don't know why, because I'm usually buying nail polish and stuff, so I don't usually collect them. But when I saw this in Walmart, I just had to get it. It is the Wet n Wild SpongeBob collab eyeshadow palette, and each eyeshadow has a name that's based on the show, such as this color is like mayonnaise, and then there's Bikini Bottom, Aye Captain, Jellyfish Jam, Pretty Patty, SpongeBob SquarePants, Tartar Sauce. I mean, come on. Those are all great references from SpongeBob, so I just had to get it. I just couldn't. And here's the thing. Do you want me to do a video? Should I do a video? Because all you have to do is just take one of these shimmery eyeshadows and just do nail art with them. Because nail art, shimmery eyeshadow, it just works. You can just put that on you. And oh my goodness, by the way, there's Krabby Patties in the eyeshadow as well, and like, you know, little stuff, little SpongeBob related stuff. It's just great. There's like the jellyfish on there. Do you want me to do a video on this? Do you want me to shove some of this eyeshadow on my nails? Because I'll do it. I'll do it in a heartbeat if you want me to. So yeah, I guess that's the GKM get to know me fact better. Is I've actually don't really purchase a lot of eyeshadow palettes because I usually buy nail polish. But then when I saw this SpongeBob one, I was like, oh my goodness, I needed to get it because I love SpongeBob. I love little references with the eyeshadow palettes, and I just love SpongeBob's face here.